Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your phone number on Binance. So you can do this either on Binance application or on desktop version. Once you're logged into your Binance, click on toggle on your profile and go ahead and click account. And after that, you're gonna go ahead to the left side and you will see security. So you want to click on it. And from here, you will see two-factor authentication and you will see an option phone number. So you will see your phone number here. You're going to click manage. And now right there, you will see either delete option or manage option. So you can either delete this phone number and enter a new one, or just click this button to change it. Just so you know, if you want to change your phone number, withdrawals and P2P transactions will be disabled for 24 hours. And also 2 security verification methods are required for these withdrawals. So make sure you know this, and here you just can change it. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.